in storage until 2 years ago.
The title was still in his name. Basically gone through the whole car in the past 2 years.
The rarity of the car is...
I didn't even know you could do that, yeah. Everybody, Matt here. This is the first video of many videos I have coming for you from pits, ponies in the Smokies, and I wanted to go ahead and do this one first because I'm actually editing it right here while I'm at the show. So it was a quick and easy edit for me to get this out to you guys on time so I don't miss my 2 videos a week. So without further ado, let's go ahead and roll the video of Tony's awesome SVO. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we have something a little different for you. It's all about this SVO right behind me here. Second owner of the car, and then ended up being another owner, but he came back to the second owner. We're gonna tell the whole story to you here. It was right here, the 86. Car was used as a road race car in the mid-90s. All right. The VIR. That's where I think I'm gonna go with my SSP VIR. Yeah, this one's very original.
What year did you originally buy it?
Bought the car in 98.
And then sold it back?
Sold it back early 2000s.
Okay, and then it sat in storage?
Went in storage until 2 years ago, 2017,
yeah.
18, somewhere in the area.
The title was still in his name?
Still titled.
It never got so.
No, it never got sent back.
Wow.
It stayed in my name.
But you were supposed to have it then.
Well, that's what he said. He said, I had a feeling that at some point you would try to come back for this
And
car.
so he just kept it in your name.
It worked out well.
Wow.
It was in good shape. Body panels were good on it. Needed some paint work.
Hold on, we have to hand this off to a professional. There you go. He can run it.
Needed some touching up.
Yeah.
Cosmetically, needs some mechanical attention. It was starting to run.
I was going to ask you what kind of shape it was in.
Yeah, really the paint had lost its shine. Just it was an older paint. Let's see, the repaint was back in the mid-90s.
That's 550 alert.
Yeah.
Okay. Isn't it looks all stock now, is it pretty much? Or no?
It's had a few modifications done to it.
Okay.
So it has super turbo mufflers.
Okay.
Catalytic converter delete. It has a more modernized turbo manifold with an external wastegate, because these had an internal wastegate, silicone couplings, airbox delete, timing advance, 60mm turbo.
60 mil, okay. So a little bit bigger than stock.
Precision, yeah.
You had it repainted, you said?
Yep.
Yes.
He's basically gone through the whole car in the past 2 years.
Has he?
Repaint,
Okay.
new upholstery.
New upholstery, everything inside of the car has been out. The dash pad.
Wow.
The headliner is the only thing that we didn't take out.
It's still the original dash pad though, right?
Still the original dash pad.
Really?
And
It's in good shape.
Yeah.
it's got cracks in the sneaker holes, but it wasn't bad enough that I was going to change it out.
No.
The headliner's original. Seats got new foam, new cushions, re-dyed, center console, new carpet.
I like the wheels you got for it too.
Thank you.
Swing wheels.
Yeah, those are Sling.
Those are what it was raced on.
Okay.
He actually had these, sandblasted and repolished and repainted. Because we looked at painting them ourselves and sandblasting them, and it was going to be a lot of work.
It was.
But let's go into why it makes this thing so rare.
So the rarity of the car is they only use this color in 86, and depending on where you read, some places show 69, some places show 71. I mean, it's only two car difference. It's dark shadow blue. 7B is the paint code. Everybody says, what's the paint code? It's 7B. It's a non-sunroof car, leather interior, and the biggest notice besides the color is the bi-wing delete. This car with the SVO, they normally have what they call a bi-wing, which is a
Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Yeah. Sure enough.
Yeah.
That was an option. Get out.
This one was option. It looks like an LX or a GT for that time period.
Yeah. So it's kind of like an SVO sleeper. Because I always think of that. The bi-wing, you know.
It has dual tailpipes.
Okay.
They converted over in 84, had the 2 pipes exit on the driver's side, and then they switched over to 1 into 2. You had 2 tailpipes in 85 and 86. It's got 373 gears, aluminum drive shaft, aluminum flywheel.
Still got the T5?
Still has the T5. Factory Coney adjustable shocks and struts on it. And as far as the alignment and stuff from road racing, it's still set the same. Has a Bear Racing period correct sporting valve to adjust the rear brakes on it.
And you put motorsport springs in, right?
Motorsport springs, yes.
Yep. Matt, in probably 98, I saw this car run 850s.
850s?
850s in an 8.
And 9, yeah. That's pretty quick back
It was
then.
fast.
For SVO too?
Yeah.
I mean, get out.
And the good thing is, you got hot heat, cold air. This is the only car I ever had that had cold air conditioning, hot heat, and got 20-some miles to gallon, and still run like it did.
Yeah, yeah, that's some good mileage for 850s.
Yeah.
It is. It really is.
Awesome.
And there's some, you know, the thing is with this car is it's hard to get parts for. You really have to know what you're looking for to try to run stuff down for it.
SBOs are rare. We just got done seeing one outside, but it was far from stock.
Yeah.
And I like how much yours is
and-
still close to stock, but it has like tasteful mods. You know?
Yeah, and that's the thing. I don't mind some mods. The car is a little bit too rare to me to go too extreme with mods on it. So
Yeah,
try
I
to keep
agree.
it near to stock mods.
Look at this. I still love this.
Yeah.
I mean, they all had that, but a lot of guys, you know, get rid of them.
Mm-hmm.
Especially a car that was in the 90s race, right? People might have pulled that off back then. Now it's cool.
Yeah.
Now it's retro.
It still has the 2003, I believe, inspection sticker.
Okay.
From when it was inspected in the last car.
It did have the SVO badges on when he had it repainted. He didn't put them back on.
Oh, okay. But you can always put those on.
Yeah.
I have them. I took photos and measurements of where everything goes back
Cool.
in case I want to put it back.
Cool. Well, the best part is you got your car done right by a real YouTuber.
Yeah.
That's right.
Thanks, Brent. Roll it.
Turned out well.
I was trying to remember your closing. I was going to flip it around and do it.
You should do it, yeah.
It's,
I say it all the time and I still mess it up sometimes. I think we're going to call these the Gearhead 704 shorts, and I'm just going to go do the full video just on this. So if you want to replace me as a YouTuber, go over to Brent's channel. No, this is a really nice car, man.
Thank you.
I'm glad you got it back. So technically you were the second and fourth owners?
Second and
Is that right?
second owner went back to first,
Yeah.
went back to second, so I'm still the second owner.
All right, he's still second owner no matter what.
we're calling it second.
It was a win either way.
Yeah, exactly. It's a beautiful car, but thanks for sharing it with the channel.
Thank you, absolutely enjoyed it.
And now I'm going to do an intro and an outro because I haven't done either one. Well, there you have it, guys. I mean, that's we'd like to take a ride in it at some point, but 86 SVO done right. I was just talking to him. I was just talking to Tony, telling him I think he had the right amount of mods on here, right? It's still very close to what it was originally, but a little more modern, a little more fun. And my favorite thing about the car was the bi-wing delete. I had no idea that you could do that as an option. That's really cool. So appreciate Tony sharing it with us, and especially thanks to our videographer today on this Gearhead 704 short, Hicks House Videos. Check him out if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I already messed it up. I said welcomes. See, now I'm building blooper material. That's what it is. Guys, I got the kindergartners laughing over me there. There's the kindergarten club. They've known each other since kindergarten. That's why I said that. I'm a K4. I can't even move it to kindergarten level. Anyway, let's try this again.